Microsoft has filed a patent for a redesign of the Surface Pro type cover that could potentially make it thinner. The patent includes details on how to cut or engrave the Surface Pro keyboard to create a thinner version. Microsoft also seems to be exploring the integration of the trackpad directly on the circuit board used for the keyboard. Microsoft used to sell a Surface Pro touch cover, with a thinner profile and cloth keys, but the company has focused mainly on adjusting its Surface keyboard in recent years. The keyboard has been modified with minor improvements through Surface Pro 4 to Surface Pro 6, and the previous type covers still work in modern devices. A thinner design for the keyboard would coincide with rumors that Microsoft will greatly redesign its next Surface Pro. The company is experimenting with models that include USB-C, thinner screen bezels and a rounder design like the Surface Go. Microsoft is expected to launch this new Surface Pro by the end of 2019.